Welcome to Eco Application class, session 5. We will be continuing the chapter 2. Today we will be dealing with what is price. Price is one of the basic elements in economics. So, as the definition goes, it is the amount of money one is ready to pay to get the commodity. So, what is price? It is the amount of money which an individual is ready to pay for a commodity, for a goods or a services which satisfies his needs. Now, the question arises how these prices are determined. Prices are determined through the market forces of demand and supply, which are constantly acting upon the market. Next, we have equilibrium price. Equilibrium price is the price at which quantity demanded equals quantity supplied. So whatever is demanded, suppose 100 units are demanded and 100 units are supplied, in that whatever price is strike, that is known as equilibrium price. Next I move on to market. What is market? Market, it is an arrangement where buyers and sellers of a commodity are able to interact and communicate with each other and determines the price and quantity to be bought and sold. So once again I repeat, what is market? It is an arrangement. So what are the keywords? The keywords are arrangement, where buyers and sellers of a commodity are able to interact and communicate with each other and determines the price and quantity to be bought and sold. So these are the keywords you have to keep in mind. Next, what are the two types of market? The two types of market are product market and factor market. What are product market? Product markets are those markets where consumer goods are bought and sold. What are factor markets? Factor markets are those markets where factor services are bought and sold, like labor market. So I hope this part is clear to you. Next, I move on to the concept of money. What is money? Money is anything that is generally and widely accepted as a means of exchange and acts as a measure and store of value. So, in the definition, we come to know that whenever we go to a shop to purchase a commodity or purchase any goods, we pay something in exchange of it. What is that? That is money. So it is a medium between the seller and the buyer. Why it is widely accepted? Because it is standardized. Like for example, the value of 1 rupee in the entire world remains the same. The value of $1 in the entire world remains the same. Next, we move on to the functions of money. As you can see, the first function is medium of exchange. I have already explained you that whenever we are purchasing something or selling something, in between what is there? There is a medium which is money. Either it is in the form of currency note or it is in the form of metallic coins. Next, we move on to measure of value. Money helps us to measure the value of any commodity. For example, when you go to a shop to purchase 1 kg of potato or tomato. So you ask, what is the price? So the shopkeeper says, suppose it is 10 rupees per kilo. So it has been standardized. According to the price, he weighs the particular commodity and you get it. So that is measure of value. Suppose the price of shirt, the MRP of a shirt is 300 rupees. So that is the measure of value. Next, store of value. Money acts as a store of value. We can store it for the future. As and when required, we can use the money which we keep, either in the form of deposit or in the form of savings. Next is, money acts as a standard of deferred payment, which means that money can be utilized to make the payments in future. As in modern economy, like basically the transactions are dealt in credit terms. For example, like the outstanding salary, wages or rent. So like it can be paid in 3 months or it can be paid in next 1 month. So that is, it is utilized to make the payments in future. That is why it acts as a standard of deferred payment. So please go through the points so that and underline the keywords. Next I move on to what is income. Income is a flow of goods and services over time. It is expressed in monetary terms, or simply we can say whatever work we are doing and against that whatever money we are receiving, that is income. Suppose a farmer produces a certain quantity of rice. So when he sells that in the market, he receives something or an amount. So that is his income. It is in monetary terms. It is in money terms. Next is national income. As the word suggests, national. National means the entire country. It is the value of all final goods and services produced by the normal residents. Who are the normal residents? We are the normal residents of a country in a year. So whoever is residing, suppose we take the example of our own country, India. So whoever is residing in the country, whatever goods and services are produced by the normal resident staying in India within a period of 1 year, that is the national income. Or simply we can say the country's income. Next is per capita income. It is the average income of the normal resident in a year. It is actually the individual income. And how it is calculated? National income by population. So if you are not able to frame the definition, if you write this, you will be getting the marks. So what is per capita income? It is national income by population. I hope the meaning and the concept of these terms are clear to you. Hope to see you in the next class. Thank you.